I'd like to show you our new sand filter. Sand filters can be used anywhere in the world using sand as a medium to filter out any contaminants that carry disease. The sand can simply be replaced when it becomes contaminated itself using local mediums. The key part to this filter is actually the material that we're using inside the base, which is a porous sintered plastic, polyethylene. And here it is fixed into the base. That is porous, and the sand acts as a primary filter. The water will filter through the base units here. Now the material, the sintered polyethylene, is ideally shown here, and this is extremely flexible, extremely rugged. It can be brushed, it can be cleaned and flushed, and this material will last indefinitely. It's porous. What I'll show you next is how to build this filter. The base container, the water container, or the potable water container, has a tap which normally is sat inside the bucket when it arrives. On the first container we have this lid, which is a watertight seal. That allows the second container, the filter, to sit on top. Again, creating a watertight seal here so no contamination can come from the top container into the bottom container. Inside here we now put the basic local filter material, which is sand. For the maximum filtration value out of this, we use a coarse sand on the bottom. In this case we've used sharp sand, and this is your first medium into the bucket. The second medium is your finer sand. Doesn't matter if there isn't both sands available, but this will give you the best results. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes to activate the porous filter medium, because capillary action needs to pull the water through. Once the flow starts, it'll flow indefinitely if there's water in there. You can alter the rate of filtration by the amount of sand you put in there and the fineness of the sand, but that depends on local materials. This is designed to be used in any environment where some form of sand filtration is available, or sand medium is available. So that's the soup. Basically that sits on top, and you allow time for it to filter through. In the bottom container is the potable water. Nice and clean. Clean water, cheaply done.